Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to the maintenance tutorial for the Dell P165G. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your device in top shape. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help ensure a safe and effective maintenance process. Begin by powering off your Dell P165G and unplugging it from the wall. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during maintenance. If you're unsure about any step, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice before proceeding. Next, remove the back panel. Begin with the Phillips screws located around the edges. Keep track of each screw, as you will need them later. Place them in a small container to avoid losing them. For any screws that are particularly stubborn, a Torx screwdriver may be required. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the back panel using a plastic opening tool. Take your time, you don't want to damage the casing. Now that the back panel is off, you can see the internal components of your device. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that has accumulated. Focus on the fan and heat sinks, as maintaining airflow is vital for performance. If you notice any components that are excessively dirty, use a microfiber cloth to carefully wipe them down. Be sure to avoid touching any electrical circuits directly with your fingers. If cleaning feels overwhelming, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to worry about transportation. Next, check the condition of the battery. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it's crucial to replace it immediately. Again, we can provide you with a quote before repair, so you have a clear understanding of costs involved. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble the device. Align the back panel carefully, ensuring that all clips are securely fastened. Replace the screws in the same order you removed them, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. Finally, power up your Dell P165G and monitor its performance. If you encounter any issues or if the device does not power on, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel, our services are designed to be as convenient as possible. And that's it. You've successfully completed maintenance on your Dell P165G. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device and enhance its performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.